BNB. So the activity has been surging in BNB. In fact, like DEX usage is off the chart. PancakeSwap is now, outdoing Radium in volume. There's been a lot of progression. So we're going to take a look at what BNB can do this year. We'll also talk about some of the recent rumors around BNB. Now, before I get into it, if you're new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up these cryptos. These were coins I thought would do very well and make a lot of money. You can see what they're all worth when I recorded my videos. You can see the highs these coins hit around about 16 months on. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd have put $100 into these coins. 100 into each in that time would have made you over 123 grand. Now the thing is, guys, is we're in a bull cycle. If you're not happy with your coins or you don't own any, get that sorted. If you're not sure where to start, have a look at my website, which is copymycrypto.com. Now, on that site, I share with my members every single coin I own. Whenever I'm even considering buying or selling a crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell and the price that I'm going to buy or sell at. This means my members are in and out of coins, same price as me, so they make the same profit. They just don't have any work to do. If you go onto my site, you'll be able to see some of the profits my members have made. This is public record. You can verify it all on the history of this channel. You can also see some of our past successes. Again, public record. You can verify it all on the old videos on this channel. If after reading through the site you like what you see, if after watching the videos you like what you see and you want to learn more, you want to hear my daily market updates, you want to hear about the coins I think are going to be the big winners of this bull cycle, all you've got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. Now, BNB. So, BNB has been having a bit of a resurgence as of late, like more so than the majority of cryptos. Now, this was originally an exchange token, and it was, it did well. I mean, it's attached to the biggest exchange in the world, but then after shifting the focus, we started seeing the emergence of Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, and BNB fuels it all. And actually, the Binance network now is massive. Ecosystem is enormous. Whether it's Binance Chain, Smart Chain, you've got Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, research projects. You've got tons of different stuff. I mean, to be fair, obviously they've closed down. They've closed down a bit, but all in all, I mean, the thing has still been absolutely rocketing. So you can launch your meme coin like Test on BNB Chain now. We can have a look through the DAP Bay on the Binance Smart Chain, but obviously it's founded by the same people that founded Binance, which is CZ. CZ joined Bloomberg as head of TradeBook's futures development. 4 years with them. Later joined Fusion Systems as a partner. Then obviously he got actively involved in blockchain tech and crypto and became the head of development at Blockchain. And then founded a few different places until he officially launched Binance, which he's been the CEO of ever since. He Yi is a co-founder as well and chief marketing officer at Binance. She started her career as a TV anchor and presenter on China Travel TV. Later co-founded OKCoin, which was the largest fiat crypto exchange in China at the time. And obviously they created Binance. Now, even if BNB was just an exchange token, this would still be doing well because it's attached to the biggest exchange in the world. It just so happens, of course, that they have added far more products to Binance's overall ecosystem. And like I said, Binance Smart Chain, very, very active. And they have added in some interesting features. Their whole goal is to bring the supply down. They want to get it down to 100 million. So they have an auto burn feature with the goal, like I said, of quarterly burns to destroy tokens so that they end up with simply 100 million BNB tokens in total. Now, they do utilize two coin burning mechanisms. So the first mechanism consists of burning a proportion of the tokens spent on fees on the BNB chain, and the second is the quarterly BNB burning events. As of July of 2022, they'd completed 20 BNB coin event burns, which accumulated to 38 million tokens, and they've continued to do that. We're now down to 142 million, so they've done around about 58 million. As I said, there's been a significant surge in activity. There's, the recent Mubarak token. So CZ was saying he bought some of the Mubarak tokens, which caused a big pump in Mubarak. We've seen since then big surges in PancakeSwap. I mean, look at the volume on PancakeSwap compared to everything else. It's smashing everything else, like quite substantially as well. And that's a big shift. That's a big landscape shift, because Solana for ages was leading the way. Solana was comfortably the highest in trading volume for a very, very long time, doing around $1.5 billion, $2 billion of trading volume every day. So the fact that PancakeSwap has started taking over is very, very interesting. Now, that's a sign that obviously we're seeing more around the Binance chain, and we have started seeing user growth in certain areas. Binary X has had some growth. And to be fair, on DatBay, you can take a proper detailed look at how things are shifting. Aggregator is a new AI project, but they've done tons of transactions out of nowhere. You've got across all of the chains, let's get specific on this. But in terms of transactions, if we're organizing by transactions, Particle Network's still doing tons of transactions, has tons of users, and you can see, like, on a consistent basis at the moment, the usage on BNB is massive. Now, we are in this weird kind of holding pattern within the markets, and part of that is down to like pullbacks based on tariff trade wars. Part of that is down to the market rose so bloody high, so bloody fast when Trump won the election, that there was always going to be some sort of pullback. BNB, though, has held ground really well. And actually, when you think about it, it's got a market cap of $90 billion. Is that undervalued? That might be undervalued. Because actually, put it into context. Binance, I mean, this is a bad day for Binance, and they're doing $14.5 billion in trading volume. Their derivatives market is doing $50 billion in a day. You're talking cumulatively over $65 billion in a day in terms of volume. Binance is massive, and every single day that we can continue to see growth in the Binance Smart Chain, the BNB token has to rise. And every time we see more people enter the market, they will go to Binance. It doesn't really matter what country they're in. Sooner or later, they'll end up on Binance, because Binance will be allowed in every country, sooner or later. So when we look at this as a token, it is undervalued. It is. I mean, the bare minimum, I think this hits $1,000 this year. I think it is $1,000 this year, relatively easily as well. I think there is absolutely a world where this gets to $2,000 a coin. I'm not suggesting it's going to happen to this year, but a market cap of around $300 billion. Is that high? Yes, of course that's high. But this is a token where the ecosystem itself is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. The token that is the exchange token, and it's the exchange token it's the token for the largest exchange in the world that's doing $65+ billion a day. Of course, this can hit $300 billion as a market cap. Like $2,000 is a very fair target. Again, will it happen this year? That's going to depend on the global landscape that we see right now. The global market landscape is very unusual at the moment, but again, if we see the Ukraine-Russia conflict come to an end, if we start seeing the tariff trade war bollocks start coming to an end, the markets can start rebounding real fast, and BNB is going to be one of those winners. Early investors of BNB have done incredibly well. But I am curious to hear what people think on this. Why do you think BNB, why do you think activity has surged on the dexes for BNB out of nowhere? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And guys, look, we're in a bull cycle right now. If you're not happy with the performance of your coins, go on to copymycrypto.com. If you go onto the site right now, you'll be able to see some of the profits my members have made. You'll be able to see some of our past successes. It's public record. You can verify it all on the history of this channel. On the site, I share with my members every single coin I own. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell a crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell and the price that I'm going to buy or sell at. So my members get in and out of coins, same price as me, make the same profit without any work. If you go through the site, you watch the videos, you verify it all, and you really like what you see, and you want to find out the cryptos I think are going to be the big winners of this year, the ones that can 40, 50, 100x, if you want to hear my daily market updates, all you've got to do all those things is join up on the site. And if you do, guys, I'll see you there. Take it easy. Bye-bye.